Have you thought of anything?
No.
Well, we gotta think of something. We haven't done a video in forever.
No. But I can't think of anything.
I have an idea.
Okay, so here's the thing. See, we all dress up like pirates and we start sailing the 7 seas. But by dress up like pirates, I mean be completely naked.
No, we're not getting naked.
Alright. Another idea. This isn't a good one. Alright. Okay. And then yes. We get naked.
No, we're not getting naked. Put your shirt on.
Are we saying something?
How about we're playing with Nerf guns, and all of a sudden they turn into real guns?
Doesn't make sense.
How about we're detectives, and we're looking for a missing bagel?
I don't like it.
Okay, I got one. How about we're roommates, and one of us is a superhero, the other one is a villain.
Oh wait, no, I got it.
We're not getting naked.
No, this time we're not getting naked. No, I got something good here.
Trust you.
Sock puppets.
Well, howdy! I'm a sock puppet.
Your sock puppet sounds stupid.
You sound stupid.
No, you know what? Okay, can we just do the skit already?
Well, howdy! I'm a sock puppet.
That voice is even worse.
Run already! Run!
That's Scooby-Doo!
Scooby-Doo!
You know what? This whole idea is stupid.
Well, it's your stupid idea.
No, you know what? It's your idea!
Nuh-uh! If this were my idea, we'd all be naked. You know what? Yeah.
I am ashamed to be around you.
Put your clothes on. You know what? This whole thing's stupid.
No, you know what? This is stupid. I quit. I can't work with you.
Fine. Just get out of my room.
You know what? This is my room. You get out. Man, I can't believe Zach made me sleep in Samantha's room. Stupid. I hate it. He's ugly.
Jonathan.
Where's that coming from?
Jonathan.
The sock puppet?
Have to kill Zach.
But why? He's my best friend.
He's holding us back.
Right. I hate him.
Black.
Yeah, I know. We'll kill him in the morning.
Okay.
A sword? Hold on! Stop it! No, I don't wanna! Stop!
It stopped.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait, something's not right. We're free.